Kiyoshi fans, welcome back to Kiyoshi Comics. My name is Mike, and if you haven't subscribed to Kiyoshi Comics, guys, please do so. And don't forget to hit the bell so you get the notifications of all the new content that come out. After you just hit the subscribe button, you just hit the bell. Let's get down to business. So today, guys, this came in the mail. I haven't opened it yet. I just cut the tape off on the sides here, and I want to do an unboxing for y'all. Now, the last one I did, it was a Raising Dion, and I lost the footage of me opening up the box, so I was kind of bummed on that. I accidentally deleted it, but good thing this one came the day right after, and we can do an unboxing together because I've been wanting to do unboxing with y'all. So let's get to this right now. Let's see what we got here. Let me put this on the side here, and take that out. This out right here. I think that's it. So the last one I did, it actually had more padding in it, but it's still pretty good. Let me see here. Alright guys, you ready? Ooh, bam! 9.8, guys, that's almost a Jin Mint. It's first full appearance of Bloodshot, Origin, and first appearance of New RAI. So this one right here, it came out in 1992, and it's a Valiant. That's the publisher. What's cool about this one, guys, I'm gonna show you in a second, is the reason why I got this book is because I got the Eternal Warrior #4, and that's the first appearance of Bloodshot and a cameo. And I actually have that one right here too. So this is the cameo, first appearance of cameo. And this is the first appearance of them, the origin and first appearance of them. So these two books actually go hand in hand. So now I got the complete set of Bloodshot. And Bloodshot, the movie didn't do really well, but hopefully they'll make a reboot, or you know, maybe part 2 will be better. I don't know. Vin Diesel played him. It could have been better. He doesn't look like him in the comic book, but we'll see. Looks pretty nice, right? I think it looks awesome. All right, RAI #0. That's what this one is. RAI #0. It's a Valiant. That's the publisher. It's a 9.8. It's the first appearance of Bloodshot, Origin, and first appearance of New RAI. Harbinger and Solar appearance. So yeah, guys, it's a 9.8, so it's almost a Jin Mint. And I got this one because I'm getting into Bloodshot. I think he's a cool character. JDF, which is the Jason David Frank, the Green Ranger, plays him on in a YouTube kind of like a mini series. And it's pretty badass, honestly. Y'all should check it out. That's the back there, and this came out in 1992, November 1992, and I think it's pretty cool. It's a key issue because, you know, it's a first appearance, and it's not a #1, but it's a 0, so it's even better. And like I said, this one right here is the first full appearance, but this one came out first before RAI 0, but this one came out him as a cameo. First appearance of Bloodshot in a cameo on last page. First appearance of the immortal enemy. So this is two actually first appearances of another character, but this is the first appearance of Bloodshot and a cameo. So you would need both of these to make the complete set, and now I have them. I've been wanting to have it complete for a long time. I just never got around to it. But this is a 9.6 here. Eternal Warrior #4. This one came out at the same time, 1992. But it just came out a little bit before this one did, and it's in a cameo. So the same back. The back looks the same. Has a Game Boy. Dang, Game Boy. That's old, right? Shoot, not even Game Boy Color. But I hope everybody likes it. And if you like Bloodshot, I'm hoping that they're gonna make a reboot, or maybe part 2 of Bloodshot, and hopefully it'll be better. But the first one was it wasn't there, and I think they should have played, picked another character besides Vin Diesel. And Vin Diesel's great, but I don't think he's a good Bloodshot. But that's just my own opinion. I don't know if anybody else enjoyed the Bloodshot movie. You could leave it in a comment if you liked it, or if you wanted, think another actor will play a better Bloodshot. Just let me know what y'all think. I'm really interested on what y'all thoughts on the new movie. But I hope y'all like my comics. And man, I got this comic. I forgot what I paid. I paid $100 for this comic. It's a 9.8, $100, a 9.8. I had to get it because it's gonna complete my set. It's a 9.8. It's gonna be worth something in the future because it's 9.8. And then if I get it signed, that's even better. I like getting signature series, so I'm gonna look for these guys if they ever come into the Comic-Con, Dallas Comic-Con. I'm gonna take this over there, get it signed, and get that value up so they can be worth more. But these are my comics, guys. I'm happy to do an unboxing with y'all. I want to do some more. I'm just kind of thinking what other comics I should buy. I do have some in my mind that I want to buy, but they're kind of expensive right now, so I kind of have to save up and get them. But I think those are better because those are really key issues, and I think y'all enjoy them more than just some random brand new ones. I rather just do all the key issues. Those are my favorite. Those are why I made this channel, because I want to do the ones that are going to be worth a lot or potential worth a lot, not just any comic. But I hope you like them in my unboxing, and please subscribe and hit the bell so you get all the newest content. And thank you. Have a nice night.